I am HVAC repair guy. I am a former Navy nuclear electrical operator with over 17 years of hands-on HVAC experience. Today we are looking at two heat pump systems at very different price points to help you make a smart buying decision for your home. We are going to compare the Airease A7HP14F and the Payne PH5SAN5. When you walk up to these outdoor heat pumps, you notice a massive difference in how they are built to face the elements. The Airease features a heavy-gauge louvered steel panel that completely wraps around the outdoor coil. This steel panel acts like armor against hail, stray rocks from the lawnmower, and nesting debris. The Payne utilizes a wire guard design instead of a solid panel, leaving the delicate outdoor coil fins much more exposed to accidental damage and environmental wear over the years. Both the Airease and the Payne utilize a standard single-stage compressor and a single-speed condenser fan motor. This single-stage operation means that whenever the thermostat calls for heat or cooling, the compressor starts up at full speed every single time. It is a traditional design built for standard, predictable operation without complex electronics. Looking closer at the technical numbers, the Payne delivers a slight edge in seasonal heating efficiency. It comes equipped with an 8.1 heating seasonal performance factor. The Airease drops slightly lower, bringing a 7.5 heating seasonal performance factor to your backyard. On a freezing winter day, that lower number means the Airease will call for your backup electric heat strip slightly sooner, which can add a bit of momentum to your monthly utility bill during the coldest months of the year. There is a distinct corporate strategy behind these nameplates that directly impacts what the homeowner is actually paying for. Airease is part of the Allied Air family under the premium Lennox parent company, positioned as a high-end contractor line, sharing many flagship components. Payne is the entry-level budget brand owned by Carrier Corporation, built explicitly for basic functionality without extra design frills. The average equipment price for the Airease sits at $4,600 with a total average installed price of $9,800 once the technician connects the refrigerant lines, updates the thermostat, and configures the airflow. The Payne equipment averages $2,100, bringing the average installed price down to $6,500. The warranty battle shows how much long-term confidence each manufacturer has in their equipment. Both Airease and Payne cover the homeowner with a standard 10-year parts warranty and a 10-year compressor warranty upon registration. However, neither model provides an upgraded unit replacement warranty if the compressor fails. Additionally, the Airease is assembled in the United States, while the Payne is manufactured in Mexico. If I had to put my name on one of these installs, it would be the Payne PH5SAN5. You get a slightly better 8.1 heating efficiency rating using the exact same style of single-stage compressor and single-speed fan motor for thousands of dollars less than the competition. That is real long-term ownership value you can actually feel in your bank account.